Hey you guys, Rjpasini from Shop Rjpasini for great deals. We got a Highways to Heaven here. I believe it's a 7 disc, and I'm going to move it over here. And this is what you get with it. The discs are in pretty good condition. It's overall, everything is good. I checked them all out. And I think, did I take a picture of the back? No, I didn't. Okay, but this is what it looks like. The box itself is a little disheveled, but it is what it is, right? So, yeah, that there we got going on here. Here's an element of Steven Seagal. These are both Steven Seagal movies, Out for Kill and Shadow Man. Yeah, Shadow Man. So we got that. And I take the pictures of the back just in case you guys want to read a little about it. You know, that's what I got going on. And here's over here, Saturday Night Live. As you can see here, there's 5 discs. I'm selling them as a set, so please don't ask me to break it up. I've had that in the past where I was selling some items and people say, can I just buy one item? I want to sell them as a set. I want to try to get rid of them all. So if you're a Saturday Night Live person that likes this show, whatever, now you could have your own little disc collection. I know it's only 5, but hey, you know, it's something to look at, right? So yeah, and that's the back of it. Again, the reason why I did this is just to give you guys a little overview if you want to read a little about it. I think we have to enlarge it, right? Now, some people may say, are these rentals and stuff like that? I don't know. They were given to me, so I don't believe they were. If they were rentals, I don't know. I don't think so, but I mean, I didn't see anything that gave an indication it was a rental. I have to look them over before I actually put them up just to verify. But I don't know. As far as I know, these ain't rentals. The disc I'm showing you. This is over here, the Bourne, well, you got one, the Bourne Identity, the Bourne Ultimatum, and Bourne Supremacy with Matt Damon. Again, I'm selling them as all 3. I'm not going to sell them separate, you know. So if you like the movie and you want to have your own DVDs, now you can get it. Just make sure you know, because like some are, this one here is a widescreen. I just kind of have to put that, put that in the description there, because people might say, I don't want to, I don't need a widescreen, you know. So, but yeah, this is what we got going on here. I think it usually tells you on the bottom here, but you know, I'm gonna sell them as is. You know, I'm not gonna go crazy with them. Here's the best of It's a Miracle. Okay, there's only 4 discs here. All right, so if you guys like that show, you could have this here. I took an extra picture of it because I think I took one with the light off. Okay, and this is a little in the background, tells you little stories what's on each disc. All right. And we got Seinfeld. Now this one here is probably from another set, but I'm throwing it in with the season 4. So you're gonna get a total of 5. All right. This is the back of that Seinfeld one, the one with Kramer on it. Okay. And here should be a whole layout. Well, right here, this is what's in the box. It's only 4. And that one over there, that's the back of it. And that's how it looks wrapped up in a box. And again, you could see that, you know, that's what you're going to be getting. Let's go back here just in case you guys are wondering. Yeah, you're going to get this guy here too with it. So keep that in mind. Oh, I'm back to here. We're too far back. Yeah. So you're getting a total of 5 discs altogether. All right. This one didn't have a box. This is the back of that, the first one here. That's the back of this one. Okay. Just so you know. All right. Okay. So we got that out of the way. And this one here, I'm going to sell as a whole lot. I don't want to list them all independently. I don't want to. It's too much work. I don't even know if it's going to sell. I don't know. You know what? DVDs are kind of like a hard sell. But I figured let me, sell this as a bunch, like as a group. This way, you know, you make it have what you might like what you see here. If you're starting out, you might want to have whoops, not yet. I went too fast. You know, if you're looking to start, if you need to, like if you're starting like out with the disc, these are the titles again. The only one's brand spanking new is this one, The Lucy Show. This one here, the little glare came on it, but what you see here is what you're going to be getting. Okay, let's see, is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 18. I just want to see something, guys. Let's see, yeah, 18 sorted disc. I just want to make sure. Okay, now I want to make sure I put the weight on there. Okay, yeah, so you get 18 sorted disc. Okay, they're all DVDs, so as you can see there, pretty good, pretty decent ones, you know. All right, but they're gonna sell them as a lot. I'm not gonna sell them, you know, individual. Here, someone gave me a box of these little toy things here, and you got a couple little Christmas ornaments here. These are really small. These are probably not even the size of a dime. But I'm putting them up because, you know, this here works. Now, you see this thing here? This here you put, is it 2 AA batteries? I think no, 2 triple. I think it's 2 AAA batteries. I think you put in here, which are not included. And when you hit the button on there, it turns colors. This thing gets like colors, like a purplish, a reddish, whatever. So I don't know what they call that thing, but it's battery operated. This one here is a book. It's a book on tractors. So you take off you open up the Velcro strip here and you open it up. It's a book. It's a little book about, tractors. It talks a little about it. This thing here, I don't know what it's from. This little truck comes with the batteries. It works. You hit the button there and you get 3 little buttons and, that works. The lights, I think, will go on. The rest of this is a transformer toy that he opens up. It turns into a transformer. I tried to do it. I couldn't do it. I didn't want to break it. And then you got these little tools. You got a little tyke here. Yeah, you got a little tyke. I think it is little tykes. I don't know what this is. But this is, I think, is from that movie Cars. This looks like, I think these are all from Angry Birds. This is, I think, Minions, I think it is. And this one, I don't know what this is from. And then you got these little Christmas ornaments that look old to me. Okay, I'm throwing them in there. There's a total of 4. And like I said, again, these are like the size of a dime. That's how small they are. I mean, they're really tiny, But yeah, so I'm getting that out of the way here. So I'm going to sell it as a lot. Again, I'm not going to sell them individual. So if you see multiple things like this, folks, please don't ask if I could just sell one piece. I want to get rid of them, Here is a baby monitor. Now, I was told from the person who gave it to me, it works. It was tested. It works. Okay. When you flip these things up, these are the antennas. You got to just make sure when you're connecting it, you got the channel to connect it to. Like it's got to be in sync. So I'm just using. I don't know. We never really had a baby monitor. We used to have the one just with the mic. We didn't have the actual video camera. But from what I was told, everything works. It was tested. It works. This is what I was told. You get the transformers for each one. This is all it comes with. No, there's no regional packaging or boxes with it. So just keep that in mind. No user manual. Okay. So this is what you got here. Let's take some side pictures of it. And that's with the light on, with the light off. I want to see how it comes out with the light off. But I think I like it better with the light off because sometimes the contrast, the brightness can throw it off too. But it's not a bad little baby monitor if you're looking for one. I don't know the price points of people ask me, what's the price points of these things? I don't know. I really don't know what right now. I don't know what the price point's going to be. I can't tell you. I got to look them up. I got to do research on it. So we got that. So you got the channel thing back there too. Right here, see channel 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like whoever used it had on channel 2. So channel 2 might be the way to leave it if you want to leave it as a default setting. Okay. And that's how it looks. The camera looks. And you keep that in the baby's room, and you get the 2 AC adapters with it. Here's the hamburger telephone. I was told this works too. Yeah. That's basically, there's no brand name. I think it's unbranded as far as I know. There's nothing on it. I don't remember seeing anything on it, except the only thing was when you open it up, it just says hamburger phone. I think, here it is, hamburger phone. Pretty clean, nice little novelty piece, right? Not bad. You got tone and pulse. I was told it works, so for those who, if I had this on my desk, I'd be thinking about hamburgers I'd want to eat. I think it would make me, it would probably want to drive me to get something to eat all the time, No, it's a nice little phone. No, it's cute. It's a nice novelty piece. This is definitely a vintage, AM and FM radio. There's no doubt about it. You can see it. It's the Macy Supreme. It says Macy Supreme. I guess it's Supreme. And it's only AM and FM. Okay, but it's nice. It's pretty clean. It's got some wear on it. It's got some marks on it. Okay. All right. And that's another picture I took of it with my camera facing down on it. Here's the Aurora Trek set. Now, this one here is not bad. I cleaned them all up. They were kind of dusty. The items in here, like you said, these are all been cleaned. I gave them, once over, dusted off, whatever, a little mild cleanser. What you're getting here is, let's see if I can put this here. Try to get a little better picture. Here, you're getting the AC adapter that goes with the track, that thing that gives juice to the track. You get that there. You got one controller coming in. Now, let me just read really quick in case people are wondering, so you don't have to sit there and give a guesstimation like how many pieces there are. This was given to me with the piece count. There's 10 large fences, which would be over here. 7 small fences. 1 Aurora wall pack with track connection right here. 1 Aurora hand control right here. 4 short tracks, curved tracks right here. Okay. A lap track counter right here. 6 15-inch straight tracks right here. Oh, no, over here, I'm sorry. I think that's what I was talking about. 10 12-inch curved tracks, that's over here. 1 6-inch straight track right here. 1 9-inch brick track right here. So that's basically what you're getting with this here. Okay. So let's move right along. Let's see. I think I took more pictures here. This is what it looks like, the red brick track. It's pretty cool. Nice. That's the Aurora adapter. This is all original too. It's the Aurora adapter with the thing that connects to the tracks. It's already got the wires hooked up to it. That's the Aurora controller. And that's the lap counter track I was talking about. Okay. This thing must here activate it right here. I guess every time the car goes by, this one must spin. There's the tracks. 7 small fence tracks right here. Just to give you a little close up. And 10 large tracks. Okay. This is Rjpasini signing off. Until next time, bye-bye now.